The course, for those that don't know, is meant for healthcare practitioners, whether it's medical doctors, physiotherapists, chiropractors, ATs, OTs, etc., healthcare providers along the spectrum. And it's an insane amount of work to put this all together. Basically, we have to compile all the evidence that we do each week. So we do a review of all the evidence every single week. We compile that at the end of every month, put that into monthly research updates, and then that information, after a year, we run by our entire medical advisory board and we decide on what is important enough to be included in our evidence-based course. So it usually takes me about a month to compile it all, and then once it's all compiled, we got to put it into the modules, and then once the modules are done, we then have to record it and film it and then update it into our course site and stuff. So we do this every single year, and then generally after that, I'm wiped out and I try to take some time off to recuperate and get my mind, at ease, reset. So the course is now up and ready for all of you that have been waiting to do it. The course is now ready to go. It is 40 hours of content. It's very heavy, but the whole goal of Complete Concussion Management, CCMI, has been from day one to create experts in the concussion field, right? We are only as good and we can only help as many people as we have good clinics out there. So we need clinicians who know their shit. If we have clinicians that don't know their shit, then we're not gonna be able to help patients, right? The only way to help patients is to truly, know your shit. If you know a little bit of shit, you can't necessarily help people the way that you could if you knew all of it. Okay, so you're likely more dangerous than helpful unless you kind of understand all of that. So our goal the entire time throughout all of this has been to make sure that our clinicians, know their shit cold, and that's why there's so much content in there. So those of you who have been waiting for it, it's now complete. You can go to CompleteConcussions.com/become a clinic, and you'll see our clinic partnership program, and you'll be able to read all about the course and stuff like that. That should be a tagline for us, CCMI, clinicians who know their shit.